Hey, thanks for checking out my Apple Watch Programming for iOS Developers course. My name is Nick Walter, and I am an Apple Watch fanboy. I got this watch the day that it came out, and I've been programming for the Apple Watch even before the hardware was released. And we've seen WatchKit come a really long ways. In the latest operating system, WatchOS 3, Apple has packed in a ton of features, and I want to show you how to utilize all of it. In this course, you'll be making 3 complete Apple Watch apps. I'm going to show you how to work with notifications, complications, working with basic stuff like, storyboard tables. It's all a little bit different in the Apple Watch world, and I'm going to show you what those differences are. Now, it's important to know that this course is for somebody that has some iOS development with Swift. So the nice thing about that is I'm not going to be diving into, this is what for loops are and this is what if statements are. I just teach you everything you need to know about how to make Apple Watch apps. I assume you're a beginner at making Apple Watch apps, and I start from that point. So it's a really exciting course. I had a blast making this. I provide source code for all of the apps that we make, and I'm a really responsive instructor with responding to questions. So I'd love to have you in the course. Please join, and I'll see you on the inside.